Hey everyone, welcome back to Glamorous. Today, we're making pulled pork using country-style ribs, store-bought barbecue sauce, and a stovetop method that's quick and easy. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: country-style ribs, your favorite barbecue sauce, a bit of vinegar, and some simple seasonings like salt, pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. This method is perfect when you want that tender, shredded pork without waiting hours in the slow cooker. First, let's get our pork ready. Start by seasoning them generously with salt, pepper, garlic powder, and smoked paprika. This will add a nice smoky depth to the meat. We're also going to add about a quarter cup of vinegar. The vinegar helps tenderize the meat and adds a subtle tangy flavor. Bring the pot to a boil, then reduce the heat to a simmer. Let the ribs cook for about 1 hour. This will soften them up and make them perfect for shredding. After about an hour, your ribs should be nice and tender. Drain any excess liquid, then transfer the pork to a bowl. Start shredding the meat. It should pull apart easily. Look at that. The meat is so tender, it's falling apart. This is exactly what we want. Now, it's time to add the barbecue sauce. Grab your favorite barbecue sauce, pour a generous amount over the shredded meat, and toss it to coat. Mix it all up until the meat is well coated in that smoky, tangy barbecue sauce. You can add more sauce if you like it extra saucy. The meat is super tender. The barbecue sauce is the perfect finishing touch. And it's so easy to make. If you want a delicious pulled pork recipe that's quick and flavorful, this one's a winner. Now for the best part, serving. You can pile this pulled pork on a bun for a classic sandwich, or serve it with some coleslaw, pickles, and maybe a side of fries. The possibilities are endless. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you never miss a tasty video. I'll see you next time.